constellations we can name again. I love everything.
Good morning, y'all. Look, I just woke up and I forgot it was Vlogmas day 1. And I did get my hair cut, but still not sure if I'm happy with it. But I will deal with it because it's cut already, and I will, when I go to someone else to get my hair cut, it teaches me to never go to anyone else. It teaches me to just stay with that one person that I always go to. I've been going to her for years, so I haven't gone to her because our schedules doesn't match. So that's why I went somewhere else. But I will definitely make time next time. All right, but guys, it's Vlogmas day 1. I know I haven't been posting. As you can see, I'm a little bit tired. Yeah, but I'm just on my way to the doctor this morning, and then going to the beach after. So come and join me. Hello guys, so we are I'm finally at the beach. Yeah, let's go that way. Hi, trees. Ano? In the sky and see how many constellations we can name again. I love everything about you. You smile with your eyes. I love everything about you. You're my sunrise. So I was in there maybe about 20 minutes. Yeah, I was in the water. So that was really nice. I feel so much better. Where are they coming? The girls are coming. This is a so much needed day at the beach, guys. Where are they? You can see them. I'm just like, I can stand up though. It doesn't, it's pretty, look how far I am. I didn't bring my stuff to cover my phone, so look at Trees, she's coming.
with your eyes. I love everything about you. You're my sunrise. And we'll let the moonlight shine inside our eyes. Look up in the sky and see how many constellations we can name again. I love everything about you. You smile with your eyes. I love everything about you. You're my sunrise. And we'll let the moonlight shine inside our eyes. Look up in the sky and see how many constellations we can name again. I love everything about you. You smile with your eyes. I love everything about you. You're my sunrise.